Hi, this is Ambika from Bidar. I have completed MCA and I am fresher. I joined to Narayana Tech House, Hyderabad. So coming to the institute, it is very best institute as compared to other, and the institute environment is very good, and the way of teaching and everything is very nice as compared to other institute. So coming to the management and faculties, the management is very best as compared to other, as they provide the very best facilities to every candidates to improve their knowledge and to build their basic strongs. As coming to me, as I was fresher, I couldn't have any knowledge about the basic Python. So from basic level to Python and advanced level, now I got very good knowledge in this institute. Now I am able to do project on my own, and I can build any projects on any topics on Python from basic, advanced, everything, as the management and the lecturers provide the recorded videos, which is very helpful for nowadays candidates, where they can see, or where they can listen the recorded videos, and make their basic strongs. Not only basic strong, they can improve their skills and technologies. So before coming to this institute, my before using this Python technology, my basic was not that up to point. After using this, my basic has become strong. Now coming to the faculty and management, the faculty, so called Mr. Narayana sir, he is one of the best teacher ever, I can say that, because he is very ambitious person, very hard worker sir. I have never ever seen like that. He is my ever time lecturer, I can say that, who guided me, who supported me to build my career as strong. And not only career strong, he helps us students. He never says anything like someone ask any doubts, so he will clear on that point. He is a very good lecturer as compared to other, I can say. So lastly, I would suggest all of you that this institute is very best institute from other institute, as there may be other. So I suggest you to choose the best institute like Narayana Tech House, which is very best. Will provide the recorded videos. Apart from recorded videos, they will be giving separate concept assignments. So each and every assignment will be different, which helps to get more knowledge for the students, where the students can build up their technical skills strong as compared to the other institute. Finally, from this institute, I got very good knowledge about the basics, advanced, and as an intern. So now I can build my own projects. I can do any technical skills, and I'm confident that I can crack any interview on my own. Thank you. Our project is data analysis by using Python and its modules like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Its main theme is collecting the data from different data sources, means different branches of business into one data warehouse, and developing graphs where we can easily analyze the data by seeing the graphs and take the decision to improve the business. Here, there are some data sources where daily transactional data is saved. Initially, we fetch all the data into data frames, and then we concatenate all data frames into one main data frame. Here, we can perform required transformations like avoiding duplicate rows, null values, and any changes in metadata. Once transformations are done, then the data is loaded into data warehouse. Now, all the data from all the data sources is available in the data warehouse, that is another databases. It is very difficult to understand the data from tables, so we create graphs and charts. Graphs and charts are effective visual tools because they present information quickly and easily. We can show that data in static, animated, and interactive visualizations, and these visuals helps us in better understanding of the data. Python module Matplotlib supports n number of graphs and charts like line plot, bar plot, histogram plot, scatter plot, pie charts, etc. Here, plot means graphs or charts. By understanding these graphs and charts, we can take better decisions to improve the business.